this is me a Barbie slash Ishmael. Today we are gonna actually make a glam site. My sister's making one right now, and I'm making one right now too. So let's start making the glam site. Here is the base of the glam site. Let's take the glam sites. It will take some wool. The glam site will need wool. Maybe not. Let me see. So I think it will be wool. But our glam site will be colorful. Let's look for glam site color. Let's look in all if there's a glam site color. I can't find. Oh, here it is, a glam site pink. Nice. Now let's start building. First, let's go find this clear space. This is super duper clear. Let's use it. Okay, let's keep on going. Building. I'm building. Oh my goodness, my sister screamed. She wants to get Minecraft, but she already has it. She wants another one. See how screamable is she? Screaming all day. Wait, how many is this? It's fine. Now let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Here is our Minecraft. I think glam sites are bigger than this, but this is a glam site. Let's change it. Sorry, this is not a glam site. Instead, let's make a tent. She's screaming again. But let's help her out. I helped my sister out getting her glam site. Not her glam site. But let's get started. What we were doing. Let's keep on going. She's still talking blah blah blah. She doesn't want to come with us and make a glam site and everything. But I'm gonna make one for you guys. Because this glam site has to be taller. Not glam site. My sis joined the game. Oh my god, she's talking. But I am gonna keep on going, building the glam site for you guys. Let's keep on going. Now, let's go around doing this, and around doing this, and around doing that. Here. Wait, it's in the wrong place. There. How big is this? But now we need some wood. Let's come here. Oh no, I can't find the word. Wait. Here's some wood. Let's get this wood. Here is the wood. Just catch. Now, come on. I have to break this again. I need that in the middle. I need this stick in the middle. In case I do. Done. Here. There's another girl named her channel Fun and Crazy Girls. I don't know why. I named mine too. Hey, Mr. Sheepy, get out of here. I would like some wool. So let's keep on going. Let's keep on going here. I think we should go a bit far, like this one. Yeah. Now let's come here. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, let's keep on building here. I hope my sister's building what I told her to build. La 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 la. Let's keep on building. Now, okay, we are here building. Build, 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 build. And the last pieces. Here's our little. Oh my God! It's so nice. This is so nice, guys. Let's get in the tent. If this is a tent, we need a bed. What about, let's change the tent kind of. Oh no. Here's the. Guys, so this is me if you wanna know me in case. And now let's. Wait, what? I didn't read that. But did my sister leave the game? I think that's it. Here you go. I hope this is fine. So this is how to make a campsite. That's not it, guys, if you think it is. We have to get a campsite. Okay, campfire. Where's the campfire? Here's the campfire. So campfire, campfire. Here's the campfire. I'm a big liar. So let's come over here. So we're back here, building again, build. So miserable of our night. But if we want to close our tent, I almost got off. Wait, if I get on here, do I take damage? Does this turn? Oh yeah, I'm totally on fire. Done. So now let's get our oak. You want it to be this way, right? La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's keep on creating. My sister's still talking. I hope I don't want to make her more talking. I don't want her to talky anymore. I don't want her to talky. Stop talking. My sister, stop talking. Okay, she said I'm stop talking. Thank you for stop talking, sis. So let's come here. Oh my goodness, stop! She keeps on talking. I don't want her. I am loud. So now we have our little campsite right there. Now let's get our little bed up down here. This is taking forever and ever. Just put in that, everyone's putting that. Okay, let's keep on going. Now let's first put this on. Now let's put these in. Actually, let's do this double-sided. Yeah, that. Nice. This is so good. Now I think we should do that double mirrored because I think this will be a sleeping bag. 1, 2. A sleeping bag. A sleeping bag. No, I think no. Let's turn our little bed. Okay, let's come here and get a bed. Okay, guys, this is super long. Our video is so long. Stop balking. Now let's get a bed. Okay, stop, please. Why won't they stop talking? Stop talking. Okay, this is not fair. Oh my goodness, this is taking forever. Now here's our little talkie bed. Okay, so that is it for today. This is our little campsite. Oh my goodness. How did you think of our campsite? Please like and subscribe if you like our campsite. Bye!